In this tutorial today, we'll be identifying the path of a circle. Now the first one, radius. Now this is a line that starts from the circle and meets anywhere at the circumference of a circle. Now diameter is a line that that starts from one part of the circumference and cuts across the center of the circle and meets another part of the circumference. Now a chord is also a line that starts from a part or a circumference of the circle and cut across without passing the center of the circle, touching another part of the circumference of the circle. Now a sector is two lines, okay, starting from the center, meeting the circumference. So this part here now is the sector. So this is the sector. So for a segment, now a segment is a portion of the circle whereby a line from a part of the circumference cutting across the circle and meets another part of the circumference without passing through the center of the circle. So this portion here is what we call a segment. Take note, segment and chord are not the same thing. Chord is just a line that passes through the circle, touching the circumference without passing through the center of the circle. If you love what I've just done, please share this video with other learners, like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.